a brilhar, Clarisvaldo na frente, Mateus a seguir. O ronco das motos, as almas a vibrar, na pista da vida, juntos a existir. Moto ronca forte, escapamento a cantar, o vento no rosto, histórias no ar. Pai e filho unidos na mesma direção, criando memórias com o coração. Motos na estrada, dois corações em uníssono, roda girando, o tempo fica insano. Pista aberta, liberdade a curtir, o mundo se perde, mas eles vão seguir. O som te chama, o asfalto é a voz, cada quilômetro conta sem deixar pra pós. Clarisvaldo lidera, Mateus com paixão, juntos na viagem na mesma canção. Moto ronca forte, escapamento a cantar, o vento no rosto, histórias no ar. O vento no rosto, histórias no ar. Motos na estrada, dois corações em uníssono, roda girando, o tempo fica insano. Pista aberta, liberdade a curtir, o mundo se perde, mas eles vão seguir. O mundo se perde, mas eles vão seguir. Motos na estrada, dois corações em uníssono, roda girando, o tempo fica insano. Pista aberta, liberdade a curtir, o mundo se perde, mas eles vão seguir. O horizonte chama, o asfalto é a voz, cada quilômetro conta sem deixar pra pós. Clarisvaldo lidera, Mateus com paixão, juntos na viagem na mesma canção. O barulho da rua é música sem igual, a estrada infinita tão visceral. A poeira do caminho, o suor na mão, eles seguem sem medo em outra dimensão. Motos na estrada, dois corações em uníssono, roda girando, o corpo fica insano. Pista aberta, liberdade a curtir, o mundo se perde, mas eles vão seguir.
Ronca na pista sem medo, Clarisvaldo à frente rasga o cedo. Mateus seguindo na sombra no aço, vento no rosto cortando espaço. Domênios motor rasga o chão, pai e filho uma só razão. Exaustão, canta céu aberto, estrada grita sonhos por perto. Chão quente sob o pneu queimado, paralamas brilham solado. Barulheira ecoa sem parar, o mundo é livre pra se conquistar. Domênios motor rasga o chão, pai e filho uma só razão. Exaustão, canta céu aberto, estrada grita sonhos por perto. Céu azul é testemunha da cena do laço de sangue que não se condena. Do escape a fumaça clareia o destino. Domênios motos criam o divino. Domênios motor rasga o chão, pai e filho
I look at what's in front of me, don't focus on the other things. I know that if I'm struggling, that only leads to a tougher me. And I want and need something that could challenge me, build up all my calluses, push through all their callousness. Becoming reckless, I'm ambitious and I'm restless, yeah. Was an apprentice but possessed a different engine, so I asked a lot of questions and I learned a lot of lessons, yeah. Got different weapons and I worked on my direction, yeah.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame. We take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flame. We gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. Yeah, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make gains. We don't hide from the pain, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change.
When I make that bet, got goals in my mind that I want real bad, so I work and strive to get all of that. Don't need any luck, my work pays off, cause the more I work, the more I take off. I don't lack direction, I'm never lost, always on play, never hit pause. And I teach classes on these things, lessons came through lyrically, but now I think it's time to be professor of the finer things, to guide the next, to try and be proactively trying things in the shadows quietly, building their own dynasty.
We gon' hike through the flame, we gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, we gon' strive to make gains, cause we don't hide from the blame. We take pride when we train, we gon' rise up and change, and we gon' hike through the flame. We gon' die with a name, and we gon' fight through the pain. We gon' rise up and change, and we gon' strive to make gains. We don't hide from the blame, we take pride when we train. We gon' rise up and change.
You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade. I'll climb.
I'm here to stay, here to play. Got one life and I know what a year can change. My fear of fame, near the same. Got that voice in the back of my ear to say, don't give up, don't hold back, you're not enough. Stay on track, it's been tough. Close the gap, it can suck, that's a fact. But no, I won't slow down, hold my own. Right now in the zone, I found finna blow this sound as I grow. This crowd, you all know me now, being known. Call it cloud, better watch the fuck out, yeah.
You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade. I'll climb.
Coast to coast, finna roast any motherfucker who been thinking he gon' beat me though. Keep him low, sneaking though. I'ma be the one creeping up until I'm meeting foes. Believe me ho, you don't know all the shit I've been through, never gonna take it slow. Awake or go, now I know the code flowing through my mind just like a wave, it goes on. To be the best, must be different than the rest. Must commit to every test, turning no's into a yes. Fuck the haters, second guess, while you know what you do best. Take the risk and take the debt, count the cards and rake the deck, yeah. not change my mind. I'm here to stay, I'll grind. I'll be the best all time. I will not fade, I'll climb.
Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know that I could fix. I get mad and scream it down on paper, then I go and call my therapist. I'm a little too much, I'm a little too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me. How I get so angry, I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
I'm a little fucked up, got me feeling so stuck. I think that I'm unplugged, in my brain there's no blood. Serotonin not enough, fit my bed like a glove. And my eyes seal shut, and my mind feels numb. Get me for the things I said, I'm not mad at you. I had a really bad day, barely getting through. I feel like I've been on the same damn fucking loop. I know that it's all in my brain, but it's fucking true.
Cause I can't seem to escape from the pain. I just need to break through the chains. Let me go, please let me change. Call me by a different name.
I don't wanna play the game anymore. I'm just gonna flip over and shake out the board. I feel like one day I'll regret this, but I don't know how else I can forget this.
Too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me. How I get so angry, I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up,
Don't take this life for granted, you're lucky to have landed. I know you might feel stranded, it's never how we planned it. But that's the beauty in living, you got a view you were given. But you can choose to just give in, or you can choose a new vision. It's never easy as it seems. Sometimes I feel like the world just wants me on my knees. Oh, oh, screaming out, begging please. Give me a sign, a light, fucking anything. But that's the beauty of it. If it were easy, no one would really give a shit. We would all just sit around with nothing to do, nothing to prove, nothing to lose, no reason to move. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like. So be thankful for the lows in your life, cause on the other side there's a high that you'll like.
too much, I'm a little too lazy. Sometimes I know why you couldn't hate me. How I get so angry, I'm a little fucked up, yeah. I'm a little fucked up, yeah. Tell my mama I'm sorry that I blame her for all the shit I know that I could fix. I get mad and scream it down on paper, then I go and call my therapist. I'm a little fucked up, yeah.
I needed something, someone to trust in, yeah. I needed something to get me through this life. Never saw you coming, and now we're just running, yeah. You make me feel nothing when we're driving through the night. I've been looking all around at the places you and I were seeing so many different faces. We're just cruising right on through this life with the playlist, and everything is right.
Never really thought I would make it. Found someone who I don't think I'll ever replace. And I'm empty in my heart, so you can just take it. I'm living my best life. And I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every time fast. Never look back, we're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. Moving all around, but you stay the same. We like to run away, we're ditching all our pain and living for today. We're driving so fast, wanna make it last, we'll do it our way. I feel good at night, full moon the only light. You make me feel like I'm doing alright. I feel good inside, maybe a little high. You make me feel like everything will be alright. And I feel so alive with you by my side. Good tonight. I feel so alive with you by my side. We can make a life. I've got nothing to hide. Driving so fast, every time fast. Never look back. We're good at that. Cause I feel so alive. Damn, you look good tonight. Damn, you look good tonight.
Let's go. Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime, that's the only way to climb. We gon' make it in our prime, signing on the dotted line. Cashing checks left and right, that's the way I'm living life. I feel alive when I got a goal in sight. Chip away, I gotta fight, ain't nobody else in sight. Man, I think I see the light, yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide, see you on the other side, son.
Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off, never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. No, I'm about to take off, never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah.
So get out my way, I'm here to stay. You can try another day, yeah. Cause I love the taste of winning the race. Gold medal, first place, yeah.
Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. Gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah.
I'm a vet, cause I work with every breath. Man, I love the taste of sweat, I won't have any regrets. They get upset when they trying just to rest, and I'm still right at my desk, make them all feel so pressed. Yeah, but that's the test. If you wanna be the best, it ain't easy, it's a mess. If you wanna have success, you keep going like possessed. Drive it deep into your chest, every failure is a test. Learn the most, leave the rest.
Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off, never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the